Kini gede gi kena kibala layo haka kerdan top 10 jonga commerce stream kebala pelai nang ba ka Mekhaya Board of School Education mata singi ka result kejongki di hakadan ka benukong layo bat nang ba ka Saint Mary's Higher Secondary School Shillong kata kadai ka Ferry Filarisha Want kebala yo saus pa new ar telikimak bat hakadan ka baal la yora da o right pol bukle po Saint Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong balayo saus pa andru kulaimak balai gidon hadu laingut pongkoj data Laban Bengali Higher Secondary School saus pa sanpu pramak Pinky Kumari Saint Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong saus pa san pramak Aditya Prasad Don Bosco College Higher Secondary School section Tura saus pa san pramak di basau gidon arngut Nirlina Bani Nongbri Saint Anthony's Higher Secondary School saus pa san psau bat Rayant Surong Mertong Saint Edmund Higher Secondary School Shillong saus pa san psau basan layora do Ishwa Khair Sotun Saint Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong saus pa san puil Bandriu Sniha Paul Saint Edmund Higher Secondary School Shillong saus pa sau Pundriu Banyu Diki Nongplu Saint Shillong College Higher Secondary School Education Shillong saus pa sausan nangta kabapra layora da Imazul Hek Laskar Laban Bengali Higher Secondary School Shillong saus pa saupa bakhandai Alpi Clarissa Warjiri Saint Mary's Higher Secondary School Shillong saus pa saupo bat hakadan kabashipo layora jo Jak Jot Singh Alpha English Higher Secondary School nongpo saus pa lai pu pramak kini gidi gi kena ki balayo highest mark haga subject jungki ki baper jonga commerce stream abijal rendatiang boyok pramak haga subject English sini hapol pramak subject alternative English Mauta Saha new primak subject Bengali Rochira M Sangma new sanmak subject Garo Aman Kumar Rai prapomak subject Hindi Peri Filirisawan Naib Somak subjek Khasi Valai Nundai Ka Ralte San Pramak subjek Mizo Monisha Sharma Praparmak subjek Nepali Peri Filirisawan Cispamak subjek Accountancy Prachi Terapi Cispamak Business Studies Murta Roy Cispamak Business Studies Rian Surong Mertong Cispamak Business Studies Syekh Paterniang Naiparmak Computer Science, Ferry Felisawan Naipalaimak Subject Economics, Rajpol Knaipunyomak Subject Entrepreneurship, Akashdep Knaipsanmak Subject Informatic Practice, Rajpol Knaipsanmak Subject Informatic Practice, but the Ferry Felarisawan Chispa Mak Subject Mathematics. Ini gede kena kiba secure nane kiba yo highest mark ki subject jungki kiba per bat ngai khuble ya kini ki kena kibala pas bha bat kumjuru ya kiwe pade ki kena kibala wan shakhmat bat kamtam ya gitu ki bom shem lala panpoi shakhathong wadu jingkermen Traisitom sai sinpat khnang bupinyo ya usok jangka jinjob hakwe ga por titangkane hi khuble shibun